This might be this.
All right. Good morning. I apologize for the delay. I've had an evidentiary proceeding that's gone long. This is D639564 Johnson versus Isaacs. Mr. Stoffel, your appearance, please.
It's Jason Stoffel, 8898, but I'm no longer part of this case yet. We filed a withdrawal of attorney. I'm only here on the Howlett matter.
Oh, I apologize.
We're okay. I just
you
saw
filed a withdrawal. Were you unbundled?
Yes, we were at the last hearing, correct.
Okay, I appreciate that. All right,
Sure.
Mr. Stoffel, then I'm going to send you back out, okay?
Okay.
We'll give you a call in just 1 second. I apologize.
Sure. Out I go. Thank you.
Okay, so do we have Mr. Johnson?
Yes.
He's there?
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you. So could I get you to turn your camera on, sir, or are you on your telephone?
I'm having troubles with the video, so I don't.
That's fine.
It says it's on, but
Okay. So this is back on for a case management conference. The court was considering Mr. Johnson's request to grant a divorce here in Nevada. I've already made a determination that the child custody issues are going to be resolved in California. And if I remember correctly, Ms. Isaacs, you've already filed a case up there. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
she did not serve me any documents at all.
Okay. If you filed a case, you need to get them served, Ms. Isaacs,
Yes,
so that
I
they can proceed.
I do understand that.
Okay.
We are currently going to court for the child custody portion, but we are not going to court because I have filed an emergency hearing. But we are not going to court as far as the divorce as of yet, if that makes sense.
Okay, but even if there's an emergency hearing, he needs to be served with notice of that, right?
Oh, I did notify him.
Your Honor, I never received any documents.
I have the emails and the text messages that I have sent you, and I called you, and I notified you of the emergency hearing.
Okay, that's not the same as serving him, but that's not my case, and I'm not going to get in the middle of that, okay? You're going to have to deal with that in California, Mr. Johnson. The sole function of this court's involvement was because you wanted to still have this court grant you a divorce down here. Is that still what you want to do?
Yes, Your Honor. I've actually submitted the bifurcated decree of divorce to you in the email.
Okay, well, you can't give me a decree of divorce if I haven't granted a divorce yet. Have you filed an affidavit of resident witness?
Yes.
Okay. So everything is filed for the court to grant a divorce. You two have agreed there's no property, no debts, no spousal support to be paid. And then all the child custody issues are going to be handled up in California. Is there any reason, Miss Isaacs, that I shouldn't grant a divorce on that basis?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So go ahead and resubmit that decree, Mr. Johnson. I'll sign off on that, and then there's not any further proceedings that need to be scheduled in your case, okay?
Okay.
Okay. And then all those other issues you're going to have to take care of through the state of California.
Oh, thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you all. Have a good day.
Bye.
All right. Howlett.